If you want to know how I got this look, keep watching. I've already set my eyes with concealer and powder. I'm taking the Kiro eyeshadow stick in the shade Sandy Copper. I'm just gonna roughly apply it all over my lids. Not going all the way up to my crease, just a little bit below that. Either take your finger or a brush and just blend the edges. I'm gonna add more to intensify it a little bit. You can just leave it at this, put on your eyeliner or mascara and be done with it, but I'm going to take it further. I'm just going to use my contour shade and just buff off the edges for an even gradient. Can you see that blend? Just going to take my compact shade to even it out a bit. I'm taking a similar copper shade from the Pigment Play glitter palette. I'm just going to press it all over my lids. Going over my crease one more time to just blend out. I'm gonna add an eyeliner. Depending on your eye shape and probably depending on your mood, you can leave it like this, but I'm gonna add a cutie wing. Adding a nice thick layer of Kajal on my waterline and on my lash line. Taking the same contour shade to buff the edges. Curl your lashes and adding mascara. For the inner corners, you can use your highlighter, but I'm gonna use a rose gold glitter. Highlighter on your brow bone.
And that's the final look. What do you guys think? Pretty easy, right?